Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be your special reading for the next 24 hours, Scorpios. So, I'll be picking cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. So, these are for your general energy, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, let's see what are these cards for your general energies first. Scorpios for your next 24 hours. So, in your circumstances, you are someone confident about yourself, confident about your skills and talents, confident about your circumstance, and you feel that you can trust someone completely. It may be this person you are in relationship with. So you feel really happy because you feel that circumstances are good, giving you clarity and making you decide what will work or what will be a good thing for yourself, for this relationship, or for your career. But in your circumstances today, Scorpios, you are focused, you may have a lot of dreams, you're working towards those dreams, you're working towards those plans, and you are very skilled and talented. But the people you are with, they are not like you, they are not focused like you, and they are not dedicated like you. So, though you are making great efforts with people lacking in skills and talents in your career, or maybe with this person in this relationship, they are not like you, they are not dedicated or focused. That may be the reason there may be some misunderstanding you see in this connection. So they do not have that cheerfulness or confidence guiding them, or they lack that cheerful spirit. So that may be the reason for some negative circumstances in your relationship. Each and every one of us are different. So just like that, even this person is so different. So this relationship will work only if you understand that you are unique in your own way. Just like that, even this person is unique in their own way. And if you want a meaningful, positive relationship with each other, you must build a good understanding. Find that balance in this connection. Try to be really honest, try to be really open, and that is what is happening today. There is truth coming out, and maybe whatever this person is thinking or planning is coming out today. It may be your energy or your person's energy, maybe their intentions, or it may be your intentions. So you feel that you have a beautiful understanding, you appreciate this person's vision, their skills, the way they are friendly with you, the way they are loving and caring with you. But there are certain things you both need to work on, and you know that. And that is what this person is going to come out with, the truth. And maybe though you may not be in a position to accept your mistakes. So it may be your energy or their energy. Again, maybe they are not ready to accept their mistakes, or you are not ready, but whatever it is, only if you talk to each other, communicate openly, and try to find that understanding with each other, things are going to change, things are going to resolve. So, honesty is the energy here with these cards. So, you will know what is the truth, what needs to be changed today. It may be the changes you are making, or it may be the changes this person is making to be in this love, to be in this connection, having that balance, to have a positive outcome in your relationship. So, truth is coming out, and it may be part of destiny. So, whatever is happening, but it is going to be a positive destiny, Scorpios. You need not feel worried that this person is just going to throw you some difficult truth, something you cannot digest. It is something good, whatever it is. Though truth may be bitter, if you know it, you can wrap your mind around it instead of being in the dark, not clear of what is there in this person's mind. So, if you know the truth, you can resolve this circumstance. So, let's see what is the card for your. It's Queen of Cups. So, you are a very friendly person. So, again, that is the energy here. You have a beautiful relationship that it needs work, and relationship is a work from both sides. So, just like you trying to find that balance and understanding, even this person must try for that. Only then this relationship is going to work, and that is what is happening today. That is what is happening in this relationship. So, this person is going to tell you what they are truly feeling. They are going to tell you everything they are thinking and feeling about you, about this love. So, we will see what is the card for your career. It's High Priestess in reverse. So, you are passionate about some choices or some offers that are coming to you, but these opportunities may be something new, something you have no knowledge about, or something you have least experience in. So, you must take one step at a time, handle these offers and opportunities with care, decide carefully what will work for you or what will be the right thing for you, taking you towards success. So that is the reading here with these cards, Scorpios, for you all for the next 24 hours. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Scorpios. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.